addressable fire alarm circuits. They're efficient, smart, and reliable. Addressable fire alarm circuits are game changers. Instead of connecting each device to the panel individually, they use a loop wiring system. This means every device, like smoke detectors and pull stations, has a unique address. So what's the big deal? First, pinpoint accuracy. The control panel can identify the exact location of any alarm or fault. That's crucial for quick response times. Second, fewer wires. Less clutter, easier installation and maintenance. And third, flexibility. You can easily add or remove devices without rewiring the entire system. Addressable circuits are the future of fire safety. Stay safe, stay smart.